Hello, wonderful word wizards! Welcome back to Word Wizardry, your magical corner for learning English one story and more words at a time. I'm Gautami, and I'm thrilled to have you here today. Whether you are just starting your English journey or polishing your skills, you are in the right place. Once upon a time, in a peaceful village, there lived a small sparrow named Lily. She loved exploring new places and learning about the world. One sunny morning, while hopping around the village square, she noticed an old book lying near a bench. Curious, she flew closer and opened it with her tiny beak. The book was filled with strange symbols and words she never seen before. What could this mean? She wondered aloud. An owl perched nearby overheard her. That's English, said the wise owl. It's a way for people to communicate with each other. Curious, Lily asked, can I learn it too? Of course, said the owl, but learning a language you should take practices. Every evening, the owl taught Lily a new word. She learned sky for the blue above her, tree for her favorite resting place, and home for her cozy nest. Slowly, Lily began to understand the words in the book. One day, a traveler from another land came to the village. He seemed lost and spoke in English. Remembering her lessons, Lily chirped loudly and pointed him in the right direction. The traveler smiled and said, "Thank you." Lily felt proud. She had not only learned something new, but also used it to help someone. From that day on, she continued her lessons, knowing that knowledge was a treasure worth having. Thanks for watching.